Hi students, today we will solve exercise 11.3. First question, tan 36 by cot 54 degrees. Here, change any one of the ratio, either tan into cot or cot into tan. We know the identity tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So your wish here, any one, numerator or denominator. Here I am changing numerator. Now tan 36 can be written as tan 90 minus. So what I want to subtract from 90 to get 36, it is nothing but 54. Here also one clue is there. Here in down whatever they will go, that only will come. Tan 36 can be written as tan 90 minus 54. 90 minus 54 means 36. Here it is in the form of tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta means it will become cot theta. Cot, what is the value of theta here? 54 degrees. That means tan 36 can be written as tan 90 minus 54. 36 is written as 90 minus 54. Now it is in the form of tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Cot theta value 54 degrees. Now substitute in the question. Tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees is equal to, instead of tan 36 we can substitute cot 54 degrees by cot 54 degrees. Both get cancelled. Answer is 1. If you want to change cot 54 into tan, then you can write cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Cot 54 is equal to cot 90 minus 36. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Tan 36 will come. Clear? Any one ratio change. Next, second question. Cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. Here also, any one. Cos, change cos into sin or sin into cos. Now I am taking cos. What is the formula we know? Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. This is the formula. And here, cos 12 degrees. How can you write cos 12? Cos 90 minus, what we should subtract from 90 to get a 12? It is clearly 78. 90 minus 78 is 12 degrees. Here also see sin 78 degrees. That only will come here also. Don't confuse. To get 12, I subtracted from 90, 78. Now it is in the form of cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Sin, what is the value of theta here? 78. Clear? Now substitute in question. What is the question? Cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees is equal to cos 12 sin 78 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. Plus sin 78 minus sin 78 get cancelled. Answer is 0. Next, third question. Simple. All sums the same like that only. Same procedure. Cosecant 31 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. Here also again change cosecant or secant. Here we can take secant. Secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. This is the formula. Now secant 59 degrees. Secant 59 degrees can be written as secant 90 minus. What we want to subtract from 90 to get 59? It is clearly 31 degrees. 90 minus 31 is 59. So secant 90 minus theta is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta value is 31 degrees. Now substitute in the question. What is the question? Cosecant 31 degrees minus secant 59 degrees is equal to cosecant 31 degrees minus, instead of secant 59, substitute cosecant 31 degrees. Plus cosecant 31 minus cosecant 31 get cancelled. Answer is 0. Same fourth question also like that only. Sin 15 degrees, secant 75 degrees. Here I am taking sin 15 degrees. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Now sine 15 can be written as sine 90 minus, if you subtract 75 from 90, we will get sine 15. So which is equal to sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos, what is the value of theta here? 75. So cos 75 degrees. Now substitute in question. What is the question? Sine 15 degrees secant 75 degrees is equal to, instead of sine 15, substitute cos 75 degrees and secant 75 degrees. In first basics class we learned cos and secant are reciprocals. Reciprocal means product of reciprocals is 1. Here cos and secant get cancelled. Otherwise cos 75 degrees, secant can be written as 1 by cos. So cos 75 get cancelled. Answer is 1. And the last one, tan 26 degrees, tan 64 degrees. Again here tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. This is the formula. First I am changing tan 26 degrees is equal to tan 90 minus 64. 90 minus 64 is 26. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Cot theta value is 64 degrees. Now substitute in given question. What is the question? Tan 26 into tan 64 is equal to, instead of tan 26, substitute cot 64 degrees into tan 64 degrees. Here also cot and tan are reciprocals. Cot can be written as 1 by tan 64 degrees into tan 64 degrees. Tan 64 get cancelled. Answer is 1. Next, second Roman. First one, tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees is equal to 1. So here all ratios are in tan. Change two ratios into cot. We know that tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Now tan 48 is equal to tan 90 minus to get 48, what we should subtract from 90? 42. 90 minus 42, 48. Now it is in the form of tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. Theta value is 42 degrees. So this is a cot 42 degrees. Next change tan 16 degrees is equal to tan 90 minus, what we should subtract from 90 to get 16. Here the students will do mistakes. Immediately we will write a tan 90 minus 16. Should not write a tan 90 minus 16. What we should subtract from 90 to get 16? It is 74, which is equal to tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. Theta value is 74 degrees. Now substitute these two values in given question. First of all, what is the question? Tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees is equal to, first instead of tan 45, substitute cot 42 degrees. Instead of tan 16, substitute cot 74 degrees. And what are the remaining two terms? Tan 42 degrees and tan 74 degrees. So we know that cot and tan are reciprocals. The product of two reciprocals is 1. Here, instead of cot 42, we can write this one as 1 by tan 42. Instead of cot 74, 1 by tan 74 into tan 42 into tan 74. Why we wrote here 1 by tan? Because cot and tan are reciprocals. Cot can be written as 1 by tan theta. Now tan 74 get cancelled. Tan 42 get cancelled, which is equal to 1. Yes, the given statement is correct. Tan 48 into tan 16 into tan 42 into tan 74 is equal to 1. Second question, cos 36 cos 54 minus sin 36 sin 54 is equal to 0. Again here, either change cos into sin or sin into cos. Here I am changing cos. Actually we know that cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Now cos 36 is equal to cos 90 minus 54. 90 minus 54 is 36. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, which is equal to sin 54 degrees. Same, cos 54 can be written as cos 90 minus cos 54 can be written as cos 90 minus 36. If you subtract 36 from 90, we can get 54, which is equal to cos 90 minus theta sin 36 degrees. Now what is the question? Cos 36 degrees cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees sin 54 degrees is equal to, substitute the values. Instead of cos 36 and cos 54, substitute sin 54 degrees and sin 36 degrees minus, in question sin 36 degrees, second term is sin 36 into sin 54. Observe here, two terms are same terms, sin 54 sin 36 minus sin 36 sin 54 get cancelled, which is equal to 0. The given statement is correct. Next, third question. If tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Here they gave tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees. We want to find out a value. Again here we know the values, 90 minus theta values. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Here already cot a minus 18 is there. Now I want to change tan into cot. How can you change tan into cot? Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Now tan 2a can be written as cot 90 minus, what is the theta value here? 2a. So tan 2a can be written as cot 90 minus 2a. Now substitute here. What is the equation? Tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees. Substitute instead of tan 2a, cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. Now both sides ratios are same, cot and cot. Now what are the remaining values? 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. So transpose like terms same side. So minus 2a sent to minus 2a transpose to RHS and minus 18 transpose to LHS. Here already 90 is there. Minus 18 becomes plus 18. Here a is there. Minus 2a becomes plus 2a. 90 plus 18. 108 is equal to 3a. Now we want a. Multiple 3 transpose to LHS. Then 108 divided by 3 is equal to a. 3 ones, 3 threes, 3 6. That implies a is equal to 36 degrees. Next, fourth sum. If tan a is equal to cot b, where a and b are acute angles, prove that a plus b is equal to 90 degrees. The condition given, tan a is equal to cot b. Then we want to prove a plus b is equal to 90 degrees. Required to prove. So first given condition, tan a is equal to cot b. Again change any one, tan or cot, into same ratios. Here I am writing instead of tan a, cot 90 minus a. because cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Here theta means A. Instead of tan A, I wrote cot 90 minus A is equal to cot B. So both sides are same ratios. What are the values? 90 minus A is equal to B. So transpose minus A to RHS. Then 90 is equal to minus A becomes plus A. Already plus B is there. So that implies A plus B is equal to 90. What we want to prove. Next to fifth question. Fifth question. If A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. Here they are saying ABC are interior angles of triangle ABC. What is angle sum property? Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. This is angle sum property. Angle sum property. Here A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Send transpose C. Transpose C to RHS side. Then A plus B is equal to 180 plus C becomes minus C. Now divide both sides. Both sides means LHS side and RHS sides by 2. That is A plus B by 2 is equal to 180 minus C by 2. A plus B by 2 is equal to 180 by 2 minus C by 2. This is simply 90 minus C by 2. A plus B by 2 is equal to. Now take a tan on both sides. Ratio tan on both sides. Then tan A plus B by 2 is equal to tan 90 minus C by 2. Tan A plus B by 2 is equal to tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. Cot, what is theta value here? C by 2. Okay, tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. This only we want to prove. Hence proved. Here third, fourth, fifth sums are very important. That models are very important. Now last sum, sixth one, express sin 75 plus cos 65 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 to 45. Here they are asking express these two ratios in between 0 to 45 degrees. Here actually they are more than 45 degrees. Now already we know that sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Whatever the identity we are using, it's better to mention. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Now instead of sin 75, I am writing sin 90 minus what we want to subtract to get 75. 90 minus 15. Simply 75 I wrote 90 minus 15. Again 75 will come. Same. Plus cos 90 minus, you want to get 65. So subtract 25 degrees. 25. 90 minus 25. 65. Now it is in the form of sin 90 minus theta. It is in the form of cos 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos, what is the value here? Theta value 15 degrees. Plus cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. Sin 25 degrees. Now observe the angles. 15 degrees and 25 degrees. These are in between 0 to 45.